In this video, I will show you how you can fix software update is not working on any iPhone. Now, first of all, if you're already updating the software of your iPhone, and if the screen is looking something like this, if the screen is black, and if you see this bar on the screen, then do not do anything to your iPhone. Just keep your iPhone connected to the internet and let it update the software on its own. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this might take some time. So just be patient and leave your iPhone update its software. But if you're trying to update the software of your iPhone, like if you're trying to press a button to update the software, but if your iPhone is stuck or frozen, so in that case, just perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And after the force restart process is completed, then just try to update the software again. Now, if you're trying to update your iPhone while you're transferring your data during the first time setup process, so in that case, do not update your iPhone at that time and then complete the setup process of your iPhone. And after you arrive to the home screen of your iPhone, just open the settings app, then tap on general, and from here just tap on software update. Now on this screen, you will see the option to update the software of your iPhone. Just update the software of your iPhone from here. Now because sometimes during the setup process, if you try to update the software of your iPhone, it sometimes shows a glitch at that time. So just set up your iPhone and update your iPhone later in the settings. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.